Sapaad POS makes adding modifier recipes a breeze. Ensure consistency in dish preparation with clear instructions for kitchen staff. In this video, learn how to add a recipe for a modifier. Let's begin. First, navigate to Inventory Setup by going to Setup, Inventory Setup. Look for the Recipes option. In the Recipes page, find the search bar and type the name of the modifier you want to add a recipe for. In this video, we'll illustrate this process using fries as our example. Click on the specific modifier from the search results. Once on the recipes page for this particular modifier item, locate the section for adding a recipe and enter the ingredients for the modifier's recipe. For each ingredient, specify the quantity needed. Find the section labeled Recipe Preparation Method and simply add the preparation method to the provided text box for the modifier. You may select the Track Consumption option to monitor the usage of this modifier. This is particularly useful for keeping tabs on ingredient consumption during sales, ensuring that inventory levels are accurately adjusted. Finally, click Save. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add a recipe for a modifier. Check out our video on making a modifier mandatory in a menu item. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.